The manager of a bulk foods establishment sells a trail mix for $5 per pound and premium cashews for $15 per pound. The manager wishes to make a 200-pound mixture that will sell for $9 per pound. How many pounds of each should be used? So the first equation is going to deal with the number of pounds that we're going to make. So let's go ahead and define our variable and say let x equal the number of pounds of trail mix and let y equal the number of pounds of cashews. So again, the first equation is going to deal with the total number of pounds that we're making. Since we're making 200 pounds, the number of pounds of trail mix, x, plus the number of pounds of cashews, y, equals the total number of pounds that we're making, which is 200 pounds. The second equation will consider the dollar amounts. So it says the manager of a bulk foods establishment sells a trail mix for $5 per pound and cashews for $15 per pound. So the value of the trail mix is the cost per pound times the number of pounds. So it's $5 per pound, and the number of pounds we determined so far was just x, plus cashews sell for $15 per pound times the number of pounds, which in this case would just be y. And that's going to equal the total amount. Now notice, here we have dollar amount times the number of pounds plus dollar amount times the number of pounds will equal the dollar amount, in this case selling it for $9 per pound, times the total number of pounds, which we do know in this case, which it's 200. So now we've created a system of equations. So we're going to solve x plus y equals 200, 5x plus 15y equals 9 times 200, which is 1800. So I'm going to go ahead and use the elimination method. I choose to eliminate the x variable, so I'm going to multiply that first equation by a negative 5. So my new equation would be negative 5x minus 5y equals negative 5 times 200, which is negative 1000. So my second equation remains unchanged. And now I'm going to combine the two. So my x variable is eliminated. Negative 5y plus 15y is 10y, and negative 1000 plus 1800 is 800. Divide both sides by 10, so y would equal 80. So remember, y represented the number of pounds of cashews. So I have 80 pounds of cashews. To find the number of pounds of trail mix, I'll substitute 80 into one of the two original equations. So I'm going to choose the first one. So x plus y equals 200. And we know the value of y is 80. So x plus 80 equals 200. So now I'm going to subtract 80 from both sides. So x would equal 120. So we have 120 pounds of trail mix and 80 pounds of cashews.